something very important nowadays, how to use technology very wisely.
Yes, it's video games. We all love them honestly, but sometimes too much.
And our teachers are not saying to don't play at all, but they encourage physical games which improves focus and even sharp our memory.
We now invite our third class boys and girls to visualize the importance of teachers in our life. Dear brothers and sisters, please. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Once again, I would like to call our third class boys and girls to perform a dance. Shall we all invite them with a thunder of claps? Please keep on clapping. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
విజ్ఞానం అందించే ఆది గురువులా